Hey guys, are you guys ready for another story? I've got a whole book filled with information about frogs. You guys ready? Get those frog ears on. Close your mouth up, and I want you to jump like a frog and throw it. Ready? Good job. All right, here we go. Frogs. Splash, splash. What is that sound? What is hopping and jumping around? What loves to swim? What loves to eat bugs? It's a frog. Can you hop like a frog? Can you do it right now? I want you to hop like a frog right now. Good job. All right, come sit back down. Let's keep listening. Frogs live all over the world except for Antarctica. Frogs usually live in wet places. They like rivers, lakes, and ponds. Some frogs live in trees. Some even live in the desert. Frogs can be found all over the world. Wherever they live, that is their habitat. Actually, I wanted you to look at this picture right here. This is a marsh frog. This is a marsupial frog. Here's a red-eyed tree frog, and that's a bullfrog. And this is a lake frog. Look at this frog croaking. Some frogs' throats puff up when they make sounds. Each type of frog makes its own sound. This is the coqui frog, and it's named after the sound it makes. It sounds like coqui. The frog is the size of a quarter, so it's probably about that big right there. Even small frogs can make really loud noises. Frog food. What is that pink flash? It's how a frog catches bugs. It shoots out its long, sticky tongue as a bug at a passing bug. Did you see? Look at, there's a ruler. And look how far its tongue is going to get that bug. If your tongue were to be as long as a frog's, it would reach all the way down to your belly button. Can you guys stick out your tongue like a frog? The frog pulls the bug into its mouth, and most frogs eat dragonflies, crickets, and other bugs. Frogs can be many different sizes. The smallest frog is as big as your fingernail, which is not very big, huh? The largest frog can be as big as a rabbit. Look at this one. That is a big frog. That's called a Goliath frog. Frogs can be different colors too. Can you guys tell me what color this one is? Some can be green or kind of brown. This one right here, what color is this one? This one, actually, you know what? Look, it's got black and orange on it, and maybe a little yellow. And so some of the frogs can have stripes or even spots. What color is this one? Is it red? Frogs can be red, yellow, or orange. How about this one? What color is that one? Is it blue? They can even be bright blue. That's a pretty looking frog, huh? But watch out. These colorful frogs may look pretty, but we have to watch out because these frogs have poison in their skin. And poison is not good, huh? Their bright colors warn enemies not to eat them. Frog babies. All frogs, even the deadly ones, have mothers. Mother frogs lay eggs. And when those eggs are ready, out pop a tadpole. Do you guys see right here? There's a tadpole. Tadpoles are baby frogs, but they don't look like frogs yet. Tadpoles have tails, and they only live in the water. Tadpoles grow up to be frogs. First, they breathe underwater with their gills, and next they grow lungs for breathing in air. They grow legs for hopping, there's those legs, and swimming, and in 3 months, they lose their tail, and now they look like a frog, like we know it, huh? It's time to hop off to the water. Did you guys know that toads are frogs too? What's the difference between toads and frogs? Toads are a type of frog. Frogs spend most of their lives around water. Toads spend most of their time on dry land. Their bodies are built for where they live. So there's a frog and there's a toad. Looks kind of dry and bumpy, but look, the frog is moist and smooth. Some frogs are poisonous, it says. Their teeth are in the upper jaw. Look at this, their long, powerful, jumping legs. Most frogs have webbed hind feet, and eggs are laid in clusters or groups. But look at this, the toad, he's got no teeth. Eyes do not bud, that they don't bulge out of their body. And did you know they have a poison gland that's right behind their eye. And they lay their eggs in a long chain. And look, they have a little bit shorter legs than the frog does. So it's a little bit different, but a toad is also a frog. Well, now you know so much about frogs. Great listening ears, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.